What's up, everybody? Captain Granite. Oh, I'm coming out of hibernation, but there's reason why I'm coming out of hibernation right now. We are gonna go do a cold start on the motorcycle. Serious doubts here. I honestly don't think it's gonna start, if I'm being honest. The reason being is I didn't get a chance to get the battery out, and there we go. I had to find the key. I didn't get a chance to get the battery out this winter, and the other unfortunate thing is I don't have any power to the shed, so it was not on a trickle charger. Oh, hello. Oh, is it dirty? Oh my, is it dirty? This is a very dirty girl here. All right, let me get my shed doors open here. Let me show you guys what I'm doing. Hold on a second. These are correct motorcycle shoes, right? I'm told, yeah. All right, well, let's get this open. Welcome to the shed. Well, I mean, look how dirty this thing is. Blarg! Double blarg! The most triplest of blarg! Alright, well, I do not have much hope for this. But we're gonna try it. Let's get it on in there. Well, dude, it's not starting. It is not. Look at my battery. Can I block this on? There we go. Look at it. It's bottom of the barrel there. Yeah. This is on me. So no, just there's no cold start. It's sitting at 8, what was that, volts? 8 volts. Camera just kind of got off me there. Hold on a second. Draw a little box on my face. Shit. Well, the thing is, at least it did power on. That's a good sign. Now, I gotta run an extension cord from my porch to out here and find one of my 4 trickle chargers and throw it on. So let's do that. Hi. Now, where's my trickle charger? I found it. Let's get it all plugged in. All right, well, there it is. It's charging. So we'll check it back in a few hours and see how it goes. All right. It's been a few hours. Let's go. Yeah, I'll come back. I was thinking, it starts up. It's like 70 out. Why not take it for a little spin, Have a little fun. The roads are still covered heavily with salt and sand, so I'd have to be pretty damn careful. Ooh. All right. Hello. Let's get this shed door wide open, because if it starts, oh, whoa, camera, whoa, over here, what are you doing? Let's do a little, there we go. Hi, hello there. Let's open this up. All right, let's see here. Bike is Gimbal, I swear. Can you like lock in here, Gimbal? Like focus Gimbal. We're gonna try this, okay? All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's look. Oh, look at that. It's up. God, I love it when it gets up. I feel like that was a phrasing moment. Damn it. All right. Here we go, everyone. Cold start. It's in neutral. I remember that. Here we go. 3, 2, 7. Ooh. There we go. Rough start. Rough start. But hey, she is alive. All right, so I don't have this on the gimbal. I'm literally freehanding it. So if it's a little shaky, don't beat me up in the comments, because I didn't feel like taking my phone case off and then putting it on the gimbal and whatnot. I took the bike out. Didn't record it, didn't have a helmet on. I put Shelby Daytona. I put air in the tires. I checked it. They were actually perfectly fine. But you always want to check that stuff. The roads are disgusting. The amount of sand that's on the road is not pleasant at all. Pretty much every single roadway right at the beginning has a little trove of sand in the front of it. So it was a little touch and go going, but I only did a little loop around town. But bike ran fine. Brakes worked. It's always good to check those. Plenty of air in the tires. All the fluids look good. But here's to the 2022 season. Words are hard. But yeah, thank you guys for being here, hanging out, and I look forward to a damn good season. And we'll have an update on what that entails and what we're going to be doing this year going forward. So until then, I'll catch you guys later.
All right. And after it's all over, you say, "Oh, what a lovely tea party."